Hello everyone, this is Carlos again from Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service. What I'm about to show you here is my painting, not the construction. The construction was done by someone else. All I did was paint, prime the ceiling and the walls. Beautiful finished ceilings. And this is the finished product after the cabinet's already put up of what would it look like. Today's March 2nd. It's really stormy outside, raining, very bad weather. And again, this video is for my painting that I've done. The construction was done by someone else. The plastering was done by someone else. Now that's what you call high-end cutting. Beautiful ceilings. Thank you again for watching my videos on my page. You can follow me. You can hit like on my page. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.